For my first collection, I had to go to create something that makes you feel powerful, but at the same time unique. I struggled a lot with finding my own style when I was younger because I tried to fit in. What I haven't seen at that time was that being yourself and being unique is important. For yourself and for your personal happiness. I had this idea to create one-of-a-kind pieces so you are the only one who has the pleasure to wear it. My name is Finn Spreckers and this is my first collection.